How to turn off disappearing message on WhatsApp group chat. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. WhatsApp have recently rolled out a new feature on group chats where you're able to turn on disappearing messages after 24 hours or a certain time. So let's see how you can disable it. Go over to WhatsApp, then go to the group chat where there is disappearing message turned on. You usually see a little timer icon right beside the profile picture. That means the disappearing message is turned on over here. Go over to that chat, tap on the chat info, and then from there you can find the disappearing messages down below. Tap on it, and since it's selected to 24 hours now, I just tap on off and it will be turned off by default. Then you can also update your default disappearing message timer. Just tap on it and you can select your default message timer as well. So I'll just tap on it and turn it off. You'll be good to go. Now you can go back and you'll see a pop-up message that you've turned off disappearing messages and you'll all of your chats will now be saved here permanently. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.